All right, well, on Monday, the NYSE released the latest episode of the Inside the Ice House podcast, and this was the 481st episode. Host Lance Glenn sat down with Bernard Zovighian, CEO of NYSE-listed Edwards Lifesciences. Under his leadership, Edwards has expanded its boundaries, focusing on innovation to solve cardiology's toughest challenges and improve lives around the world. Let's take a listen.
At the time, it was seen as impossible. And, this is truly, who we are as a company today. We like to go first, we like to take risk, we like to innovate, where nothing exists. When you do these kind of things, you learn a lot. And, we see that, learning as you go is part of the innovation process. When we failed on a project, we look at the learning, we apply, the learning. We see that as a way to accelerate our innovation process. Our engineers are used to do that, and we apply this process across the company.
Well, later in the conversation, Zovighian and Glenn discuss Edwards Lifesciences' innovation philosophy and how the patient is at the heart of everything the company does.
We start with the patient need. Within structural heart disease, because we have a very sharpened focus, and we are, the only company solely focusing on structural heart disease. So we know well, structural heart disease. We look at what are the needs within structural heart disease, and then, what are the issues that we are trying to solve. What kind of technology do we need, to do that? And again, we have 65 years of experience in the space, and we put, the best, people behind it. We run, large, high quality clinical studies to prove that this new technology is indeed solving the issue, is safe and effective, for patient. And when we have, this result, then, we get an approval and we launch the technology, to many patients.
All right, thanks to Edwards Lifesciences CEO Bernard Zovighian and, of course, our Lance Glenn for that conversation. Reminder, the Inside the Ice House podcast drops new episodes every Monday morning, just in time for your commute on all the major podcast platforms. You can watch full-length video episodes on the NYSE TV app and, of course, the NYSE's YouTube channel. Just scan that QR code that you see on your screen. All right, here's a live look at the trading floor.